All right, now say we want to remove someone from a Membervault product after a certain period of time. This is another reason why you may want to use a webhook. So, what we could do is do remove user from product. So, I'm going to put a tag and I'll say the tag is Shauna remove. And then I'm going to, choose whichever one pre-sell your offer is the one that I did. Okay. So now I'm going to do remove product webhook. Okay. So success, please check your automation rules to look for the new webhook. So we're going to make sure that this tag is now in ConvertKit and that it knows to remove someone from this particular product when that tag has been applied. Okay, so here it is. The webhook has been added. It shows enabled, so we're good to go. So now let's create an automation within ConvertKit that will remove someone after a certain period of time that they've been added into a product. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to Automate and you're going to go to Visual Automations and then you're going to start from scratch. Okay, name your automation whatever you want it to be named, obviously something that's going to make sense for whatever product it is. Then you're going to click on Start Building. Okay, so when someone is added, typically there is a tag that is associated with it, right? So we could say for this particular product, when a tag is added, I'm going to do Shauna Test because that was the tag I used to add. So when they are added, they're going to be added into this automation when this tag has been added. Then what we're going to do is do a delay action. Okay, so delay for a number of days. You can also do weeks, days, hours, minutes. I tend to like to use hours whenever it comes to something like this, but you can still use days. Because I like to use hours, I'm just going to figure out how many hours 6 months would be. So let me go ahead and figure that out. Okay, so 6 months would be 4,380 hours. So I'm going to plug that into ConvertKit. The reason why I like to do hours is because when you do days, it may not account for like a full 24 hours. So that's why I just always get in the habit of doing hours. So for 4,380 hours, we're going to plug that into ConvertKit. And now after that time period, we want to add another tag. And that tag is going to remove them from the product. So we're going to go ahead and remove and do add action. So basically what this is telling ConvertKit to do and Membervault is when this is added, we're going to wait 6 months and then we're going to add this tag, which is going to automatically remove them from Membervault out of that product. So how can we test this? So we know that this test email that I created shows that they are currently in the product, right? So the pre-sell your offer is a product that I'm currently in, right? Now, when I add that tag manually in ConvertKit, when we come back here, we should show that they have been removed. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add the tag Shauna remove. Okay, so I have added that tag. So now let's go back into Membervault to see if they have truly been removed from the product. All right, so I just hit refresh. We're going to come back over here. And now we see that I no longer have access because this is no longer checked. So the webhook worked. We can even look to see the actions that were done by going down to activity log. And we could see right here, removed from product. So it worked. So basically, we know that in this automation that we just created, that once they have waited for 6 months and that tag is applied, that they will automatically be removed from the product.